Hi, so I want to give you a close-up view of this Crane Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. So I have both of these colors in pink and in orange. And let me bring this over here and show you the button here. And the pieces that come out. So this is the cone. And you could turn it every which way, the direction you want. And this is the bin here. So the bin actually has a hole in the middle, but that's where the mist comes out, not where you actually fill the air. I mean fill the water. And if you look inside here, this is 1 gallon. And here's the mechanism that allows you to fill the water. And there's various holes. This hole, for example, is the hole for the light. And this is the hole for the fan. So this is where all the air, the mist comes out and straight into the middle. Now people have said this is hard to hold when you're filling it, which is totally true. And what I do is I always hold it like this with my fingers in the middle. And I'll fill it up, cap it. And of course you're gonna have dripping because the water is going to accumulate at the bottom here in the basin. So this is the tank, the 1 gallon tank, and it does last, if you use it properly, it does last more than a night, which means that there's actually not as much water being absorbed into the air as you would like. And let me show you the basin now. So the basin here, so this is the basin. And when I mentioned the water tank there had a hole, this is the light, and this is either green or red. So if it runs out of water, it's going to be red, and it supposedly will turn off the fan. And if you look here, that slot here is for the fan. And the water here, this is the thing that makes the misting. But this basin here is going to be filled with water, so keep that in mind. And here's the on-off switch. And the 5-foot cord. So there you go. That's really a close-up look of the Crane humidifier. And thank you for watching.